Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I'm Cryptokip, and today, yes, you did read it correctly. There is another cryptocurrency bankruptcy in the industry, but it is one that we did see coming. It is, in fact, Genesis, the lending group under DCG, owned by Barry Silbert. The DCG empire is at risk, but is this going to cause more fallout in crypto, or have we already seen that? I'm going to talk about that in this video and the further implications that come from a move like this and more lawsuits that are coming down the pipeline, actually, for Barry Silbert and DCG. We're going to get through this and also got to talk a splash about FTX and Sam Bankman-Fried. Looks like an FTX is actually getting started again with the new leader, and they're already raising money. But who would possibly fund these ventures? Let's talk about it, guys. If you like the content, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. We're doing 5 videos every single day for you, and when we hit 10,000 subscribers on the channel, we're giving away $1,000 worth of Bitcoin to one lucky subscriber. So let's take a peek, guys, at these stories, and let's see what's happening. So crypto lender Genesis filed for bankruptcy in the latest blow to Barry Silbert's DCG empire. For those of you that don't know, DCG owns a lot in the crypto space. He owns Grayscale Bitcoin Trust. He owns any of these trusts, right? He owns Coindesk, and he did own Genesis. So this is a big thing that Genesis is failing for him, and you're seeing some of the implications, which we'll talk more about in a second. But this is a big deal. Genesis Trading filed for bankruptcy protection after suffering crippling losses from the collapses of FTX and the hedge fund Three Arrows Capital. This is a big deal, guys. This is a big deal. But what I want to know right now is if you look at the crypto prices, Bitcoin's still at around $21,000. Ethereum's still at about $1,500. Binance is still around $300. Crocoin's still at 7 to 8 cents. Everything's still hanging tight and everything is sitting strong still. So, though this is a bad story, the crypto markets still are holding strong. And so this is fantastic to see. A lot of people are afraid of all this FTX fallout coming further into the picture. Well, here's some more FTX fallout, and crypto markets are just shrugging it off. Really, I think the big thing is that, a big player was doing fraud, which is what you had with FTX, and Genesis simply over leveraged, right? They weren't taking customer funds and doing illegal activities like it to the extent that FTX was, but they certainly built their platform in the wrong way, and they were way over leveraged and way too much risk on, which is irresponsible. So both bad things, one worse than the other, but I think we've already seen the FTX fallout, and honestly, I think, this just gives exchanges like Binance and Crypto.com a better leg up in the market, really, come the bull market. Some of Genesis's largest clients include Circle, which we're going to talk more about in a second, which operates the stablecoin USD. They created USD in a partnership with Coinbase, which you need to know, and Gemini, which is backed by the Winklevoss twins, who are not very happy. The Winklevoss twins are very upset. Gemini co-founder Cameron Winklevoss initially responded to the news on Twitter, writing that Silbert and DCG continue to refuse to offer creditors a fair deal. We've been preparing to take direct legal action against Barry, DCG, and others. He continued, sunlight is the best disinfectant. So, we need more information on this, and Cameron Winklevoss and the twins, they're coming out and they're kind of trying to play Robin Hood. They're trying to play the hero here in this story, which they're just as guilty, right? This was their product. And so this is deflection. That being said, they're still coming after them for money. It's going to be very interesting to see, and we'll keep you posted how this lawsuit plays out. But this is what everyone wants to talk about, the crypto contagion. The Genesis provided loans to crypto hedge funds and over-the-counter firms, but series of bad bets made last year severely damaged the lender and forced it to halt withdrawals on November 16th. So this was a big deal, and a lot of people got burned on account of this. So there will be some legal action coming for sure. This is why they filed bankruptcy. This is a smart move in their part, but you wonder what it'll mean for the investors that are still waiting for their funds back from Genesis. Clearly, the Winklevoss twins do not want to wait. But the crypto publication Coindesk hired Lazard to explore the sale as crisis deepens at parent company DCG. This is huge news. So you're wondering, well, what's going to go on with DCG, and is there going to be more follow with DCG? Well, it looks like it. Crypto publication Coindesk has engaged investment bank Lazard as it continues for full or partial sale of the business, which is currently owned by Barry Silbert. So Barry Silbert is having a big problem right now. This Genesis product was a failure, and it is causing some pain. And now he's starting to lose his grip on, looks like, everything, really. I mean, Coindesk is trying to find its way out from under him, which is interesting to see. The crypto meltdown has hit DCG, which faces mounting debt and regulatory probe at lender Genesis. So there will be more regulation coming to this man. He's a young guy, and he had some great ventures, and it looks like there is trouble coming for him. So very, very interesting. Over the last few months, we've received numerous inbound indications of interest at Coindesk. So there are several people that want to buy it, said the CEO, Kevin Worth. So you want Coindesk to stay. They do some breaking news for crypto. We want more crypto-oriented publications. Sure, they're biased. Yes, they're totally biased. But you want to see it stick around, because we don't want only the mainstream media, CNBC, Fox News, CNN, all these publications, Fox Business, all these places to be the only ones reporting on this. We don't want Forbes to be the only one reporting. We want crypto publications. So going to be interesting to see who comes out and buys Coindesk. That person is going to look pretty bullish being able to acquire that company. But yes, the Winklevoss twins do maul over the lawsuit against Barry Silbert. They're looking for $900 million. So more to come for Barry Silbert, and it is shocking to see, but it is coming. This is Cameron Winklevoss's tweet. We have been preparing to take direct legal action against Barry, DCG, and others who share responsibility for the fraud that has caused harm to the 340,000 earned users and others duped by Genesis and its accomplices. Unless Barry and DCG come to their senses and make a fair offer to creditors, then we will be filing a lawsuit against Barry and DCG imminently. So it's probably going to come. We'll have to see what news comes out with this, but we will keep you posted. In other news, ex-FTX U.S. President Brett Harrison taps Coinbase and Circle for new crypto firms. So we talked a little bit on our live stream last night. Every Tuesday, Thursday at 5:30 Central Standard Time, 5:30 p.m. Central Standard Time, we will be doing a live stream for the community, talking about stories like this and crypto.com, which we talk about a lot on the channel. But this is a huge story. FTX is trying to make a comeback, and it is the ex-FTX U.S. president, actually, Harrison, that is trying to get a new exchange going. So two things here. One, FTX is trying to start back up. That's one thing. Two, ex-FTX U.S. president Harrison is trying to start a new exchange. I think it's trying to be called GTX, which is oh so familiar. And they actually got investors out of Coinbase and Circle for this new firm. We will tell you more about this as it comes out, but I just want to share this with you guys. I don't like to see it. I don't want to see this ex-president of FTX to have success. I don't even want to see FTX come back, even if they clean the whole squad, right? I don't know who's still contaminating that team over there. That's all I got. We're at 6.71K subs. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. When we do hit 25,000 subscribers on the channel, we're giving a loaded lion NFT, one of the largest NFTs, the crypto punk of crypto.com, if you will, to our community. All you got to do is go to Twitter, retweet this, follow us at the Crypto Report, and subscribe to our channel. And if you become a member on our channel using the link in the description down below, you get additional members entries towards this giveaway, and there will be more giveaways coming down the pipeline. That's all I got, guys. I'm Cryptokip. This is the Crypto Report. Don't forget to smash up the like button, subscribe to the channel. And as always, you got to remember to DCA HODL, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks, everybody, and have a great night. Peace.